Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Baseus Storm free earbuds. So to do this you have to select them from the application at the first and then go to the EQ mode, tap on this arrow, and as you can see, first of all we can find 12 presets. You can switch them by tapping on each preset. If you select, you will find this little switcher on the right upper corner. And you can also add your custom preset by tapping right here. First we have to get the name, click save, and here you can basically adjust the sound parameters to your own preferences with all of these dots, and then you can just simply go back and your custom preset right now it's activated. If you want to get rid of that, you can just open it and click right here. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.